Meaning of extempore.
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 Extempore. Extempore refers to something that is done or spoken without preparation or rehearsal. Essentially, it means performing or improvising on the spot, often in front of an audience. This term is commonly used in reference to speeches, presentations, or performances that are delivered without any prior planning or preparation. The result of an extempore performance can be unpredictable and may vary in quality depending on the skills and abilities of the individual performing. However, when done well, an extempore performance can be impressive and engaging for the audience.